Sound of Sport Radio, where beats meet victories. Immerse yourself in the seamless fusion of sports and music. Sound of Sport Radio is your gateway to the rhythmic world where the thrill of the game harmonizes with the beats of your favorite tunes. Experience the pulse of victory, the rhythm of passion, and the melody of triumph. Tune in and let the games begin, not just on the field, but in every beat that defines the spirit of sports. Join us in celebrating the symphony of athleticism and music.
暗闇の中でのダンス風のように飛ぶロボット愛を感じるスペースアウン超自然マインドゲームコンピューター連想暗闇の中でのダンススペースアウン風のように飛ぶロボット愛を感じる暗闇の中でのダンス愛を感じる超自然コンピューター連想マインドゲーム風のように飛ぶロボット愛
Financial rules in the Premier League have sparked debate once again after Everton became the first team to breach the new profit and sustainability rules. Following a review by an independent commission, Everton were charged with breaching the rules and were sent to a panel in March. After a hearing in October, the decision was made in mid-November to deduct 10 points from Everton for the alleged breaches. This unprecedented punishment in English football could set the standard for future breaches. Manchester City, who deny 115 charges, faced a 5-year investigation from 2009 to 2018, raising questions about potential punishments if proven. Chelsea is also under scrutiny following claims that former owner Roman Abramovich used offshore companies to pay for services. Although Chelsea hasn't been charged yet, the possibility of another investigation raises confusion about profit and sustainability rules. Previously known as Financial Fair Play or FFP, these rules have brought up plenty of questions and confusion.
I'm finna go to the bar to get some drink and hit the floor. I'm finna get on 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 the floor. She wanna
drop it, give me drop it, drop it, give me drop it, drop it, give me drop it, girl.
Erling Haaland has broken Andy Cole's record by becoming the fastest player to score 50 goals in the Premier League. With his well-taken opener against Liverpool, Haaland reached this milestone in just 48 appearances. Since joining Manchester City for £51 million in 2022, the Norwegian sensation has been unstoppable. He has surpassed Andy Cole's long-standing record by 17 games. Achieving this incredible feat, Holland's goal-scoring prowess has made him a force to be reckoned with in the Premier League. His remarkable achievement showcases his talent and dedication to the sport. Holland's impact on Manchester City's success cannot be overstated. His exceptional goal-scoring ability has propelled the team to new heights. As Holland continues to shine, he solidifies his place among football's greatest talents. The Premier League will remember Erling Haaland's record-breaking achievement for years to come.
Arsenal's defensive duo, William Saliba and Gabriel, are hailed as the Gunners' best partnership since the iconic Invincibles by Sol Campbell. This season, they've played a crucial role in Arsenal boasting the league's best defensive record, conceding just 14 goals in 15 games, placing them on par with Liverpool. Campbell acknowledges the prowess of Saliba and Gabriel, claiming they've arrived at Arsenal at the perfect time. He emphasizes the strength and confidence exhibited by the defensive pair, highlighting their potential for long-term success. Campbell identifies a potential stumbling block in the David Raya, Aaron Ramsdale goalkeeping situation. He underscores the importance of stability in the goalkeeper position, especially during tense moments, emphasizing that uncertainty in this area could introduce doubt and impact defensive performance at the elite level. Despite the goalkeeping concern, Arsenal, under Mikel Arteta, holds a 2-point lead at the league summit, with a 6-point gap over last season's champions, Manchester City. Campbell recognizes the team's experience and resilience, but cautions that the goalkeeper situation needs addressing to avoid potential setbacks in the title race. In reflecting on his partnership with Kolo Touré during the Invincibles season, Campbell draws parallels to the current defensive strength at Arsenal. The Arsenal legend's insights shed light on both the team's current success and the challenges they may face as they aim for Premier League glory.
There's got to be some sort of aliens out there somewhere.
The coolest station online.
Yeah, that's us.
Cause we play this.
When I look into the stars, all I'm seeing is some darkness. Galaxies and planets think there's aliens regardless. Most of disbelievers, man, are heartless. This beat is out of this world of Doctor Who and Jack Harkness. I'm looking in the sky like an astronomer. Wanna build a spaceship, take a flight to Andromeda. Wanna meet an alien, roll a split roll and spend a day with them. But it's only temp like a thermometer. Take a flight. Take a flight. All I'm seeing is some darkness. Take a flight. Take a flight. When I look into the stars, all I'm seeing is some darkness. Galaxies and planets think there's aliens regardless. Most of disbelievers, man, are heartless. This beat is out of this world of Doctor Who and Jack Harkness. When I look into the stars, all I'm seeing is some darkness. Galaxies and planets think there's aliens regardless. Most of disbelievers, man, are heartless. This beat is out of this world of Doctor Who and Jack Harkness. There's got to be some sort of aliens out there somewhere. I'm looking in the sky like an astronomer. Wanna build a spaceship, take a flight to Andromeda. Wanna meet an alien, roll a spliff roll and spend a day with them. But it's only temp like a thermometer. Take a flight.
Sound of Sports app is a mix of upbeat, energetic tracks that are perfect for getting pumped up for all sports, games, or workouts. The music plays in the background as you browse through the app website, with options to customize a playlist or choose from pre-made ones based on your favorite sports or music genres. The Sports website app also offers a variety of sports analyses and commentary, providing in-depth analysis and insights into your favorite teams and players.
The rhythm that comes from Africa, the cradle of all creation. In 1987, the rhythm was born. House music was conceived of the rhythm. The essence of house is the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm. The essence of house is the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm, the rhythm. This is house music. All I need's a good DJ like this one. Hey DJ, you know what I want. You know what I need. I need a fat chick.
The Cooley Station Online.
Hey DJ,
That's us.
give me the
Cause we play
this. Give me the hi-hat. I need a fat kick. I want a sharp clap. I need a punchy snare. I want a kick and groove. Now that we have the rhythm, what we need next to complete the groove is percussion. I'll take you back to the deep, dark jungle, Africa, the motherland. Don't be afraid. That's where we need to go to find what we need. The congas. King congas. You know, in 1987 I was dancing at a discotheque. And people were coming up to me and saying, what is this shit? I said, it's house music, baby. Well, they said, it'll never last. Well, I'm here to tell you, it's now the 21st century. And house music is still ticking. The essence of house is the rhythm. 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 I said it's house music, baby, 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 baby. In 1987, I was dancing at a discotheque, and people were coming up to me and saying, what is this shit? I said, it's house music, baby.
Ready to dive into the exhilarating world of Premier League football. We've got an action-packed recap of the latest highlights that will leave you breathless. Liverpool has surged to the top spot with a commanding 3-1 victory over Burnley, showcasing their unrivaled skill and determination. But they're not alone in the race for glory. Manchester City flexed their muscles with an impressive 2-0 win against Everton, thanks to Erling Haaland's late, game-changing brace. The battle for the title is heating up. Hold on tight as we take you on a roller coaster ride through some unforgettable moments. Fulham's Rodrigo Muniz stole the show with his electrifying performance, scoring twice in a thrilling 3-1 win over Bournemouth. The crowd was on their feet, witnessing pure football brilliance. And let's not forget about Brentford's Ivan Toney. His unstoppable form in a 2-0 victory against Wolves has ignited talks of an England recall. The pundits can't stop raving about his talent, and fans are eagerly anticipating his next move. But it's not just on the field where the excitement lies. The transfer rumor mill is in full swing. Barcelona has reportedly made contact with an in-demand midfielder, setting the stage for a potential summer transfer that could shake up the football world. Will the player make the move? It's a suspenseful wait. Meanwhile, Liverpool is keeping a close eye on a Premier League centre-back, considering him for a possible free transfer. The club is determined to strengthen their defense, and this potential addition could be a game-changer. Fans are buzzing with speculation. In the midst of it all, Frenkie de Jong's future hangs in the balance. Rumors of his departure from Barcelona have been swirling, with Manchester United previously expressing interest in the talented midfielder. Where will he end up? The transfer saga continues. But the drama doesn't end there. Manchester City remains undeterred in their pursuit of Savio, despite concerns over a possible rule breach. They are confident in finalizing the signing, and fans are eager to see the talented player in action. Meanwhile, PSG is exploring their options as they potentially bid farewell to the sensational Kylian Mbappe. Marcus Rashford and Victor Osimhen are being considered as potential replacements, adding an extra layer of excitement to the transfer window. Will either of them don the PSG jersey next season? Only time will tell. And finally, let's not forget about the relentless efforts of Chelsea and Liverpool. Both clubs are tirelessly working to strengthen their squads, with numerous players linked to their respective teams. The competition is fierce, as they aim to secure the best talents and solidify their chances of success. So buckle up and get ready for a thrilling ride through the world of football. From heart-stopping matches to transfer speculations, this is a journey you won't want to miss. Sound of Sport News.
If you're having a good time, let me say yeah.
What are we enough for them? I go on like them bad. When these are drums and bass from the heart of England, we sound a tear down the place, tear down the place. We sound like an earthquake, like an earthquake. Tie up your shoes, lace. Everybody skanky, let me see your face. Let me see your off. Let me see your face. Tie up your shoes, lace. Everybody skanky, let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Tonight, good vice.
What are we enough for them? I go on like them bad. When these are drums and bass from the heart of England, we sound a tear down the place, tear down the place. We sound like an earthquake, like an earthquake. Tie up your shoes, lace. Everybody skanky, let me see your face.
I'll lay the bass tonight.
He would make a huge difference. Sky Pundit says Arsenal have to go and sign £60 million player. TBR Football 3H. Arsenal star Declan Rice wanted Chelsea move following new bombshell. 4424H. Arsenal plotting to sign special new star for Arteta from club who are facing FFP problems. FootballFancast.com 9H. He would make a huge difference. Sky Pundit says Arsenal have to go and sign £60 million player. TBR Football 3H. Arsenal star Declan Rice wanted Chelsea move following new bombshell. 4424H. Arsenal plotting to sign special new star for Arteta from club who are facing FFP problems. Footballfancast.com 9H. He would make a huge difference. Sky Pundit says Arsenal have to go and sign £60 million player. TBR Football 3H. Arsenal star Declan Rice wanted Chelsea move following new bombshell. 4424H. Arsenal plotting to sign special new star for Arteta from club who are facing FFP problems. Footballfancast.com 9H. He would make a huge difference. Sky Pundit says Arsenal have to go and sign £60 million player. TBR Football 3H. Arsenal star Declan Rice wanted Chelsea move following new bombshell. 4424H. Arsenal plotting to sign special new star for Arteta from club who are facing FFP problems. Footballfancast.com 9H. He would make a huge difference. Sky Pundit says Arsenal have to go and sign £60 million player.
In our game, there's always room for passion. There's room for rivalry. There's room for drama. Lots of drama. But
there's no room for racism.
There's room for agony.
There's no room for racism.
There's room for ecstasy.
There's no room for racism.
There's room for every kind of emotion.
But there's never room
for racism.
There's no room for racism
in the Premier League or anywhere else.
If you see it, report it.